Tiprasa Thansa Ni Yapri program was held at Khowai Baijal Bari Higher Secondary School playground on Sunday. On this day, a mega rally was held and later a public meeting was organized. NLFT President Prasanjit Debarma and others were present. While speaking at a gathering today, one of the leaders of Tiprasa Thansa Ni Yapri organization said that the indigenous people of Tripura are always deprived in our own state in various aspects of life. Indeed, many politicians and leaders came forward and supported the poor Tiprasa people by words of encouragement and giving assurance to bring solution to their problems. However, there is no solution yet among the people, which is why wise people gathered together and formed a movement from Sunday in the name of Tiprasa Thansa Ni Yapri with a view to create unity among the indigenous people, leaving all the disputes and issues and not criticizing among each other to fight for the rights of Tiprasa people. As such, the movement started from Khowai Baijal Bari today and Sunday. They said if any person from any field or political party wanted to join this movement together can join with them. This movement is mainly created to fight for the rights of our people.
Chini nahar mungke obono Chini Tiprasa lukurok amsani lukurok sal thangkai sal phaikai political leader rok bai kabangma assurance jago je area develop khainai manei baknai fiaba sal kadam romoi lukurok khabai khukbai khainai o Tiprasa dofa hinai hinai jebabe regional party o kha kharioi boskango Yapri se nokhori dongo o tongmani ya boskango kono sung tabusu jara development nukjagya tai Chini Tiprasa leader ongni bisingo jebabe debra yagra walai suglai kaisabe kaisana sajak tongmani abono seje oi tonnani thansa moncho tonani thansa stage tonani thansa garingo toinai sung bahai kaisini man thaino sung manani oboni tai tinin simi sung Tiprasa Thansa Ni Yapri ane chengkha o Baijal Bari playground ni simi no sung chengkha bo tinin simi sungabo chengi thanai tai borun ganang Boloram de Burma taboksu jara dabo IPFTT Tripura len ni hnino tongkho haipono sung bos kango phaimalai kha bele ang excited khatung khaja bang bai norbai ni sung tongo norbai ni himnai kubui lama himka hangke ang nungbai no tongo hunai bo ano phai sabai ka bor khorok ni khorokam phainai aboni bagai bele khana khatung khaja jara bos kango tebo leader oba he phaina musungi to hangke sungbai Tiprasa dofani bagai Tiprasa Thansa Ni Yapri ni bagai nai bakha tong to hangke phaidi sung doga khulokjak sung yasak sogo yasakai tongnai sung bahai kai Tiprasa rongno o tatalni theke yakagriman sung obon nai dongota Thansa ni bisingtei sung kaham khainani lama tongi tongo tamangi kering engnai sung Thansa hangkai bebana success ngi mano haisi maya kuno kokkuri.
The present people in this movement were NLFT President Prasanjit Debarma, General Secretary Vidya Dar Tripura, Chief Hatifang Riyang, Balaram Debarma, President IPFT Tipraland, Raju Debarma, Vice President, GS Subiram Debarma and others. Reported by Biplab from Khowai, Chini Khorang.